So electromechanical overcurrent relay, what we have done here, we have selected the IS as a set current 1.5 amperes, okay, and time setting multiplier is 0.8. Fine. Initially we are going to connect S1 to C1, then S2 to C2, then AC1 as per the circuit diagram, AC1 to T1, AC2 to T2. Now already it is a reset, okay, and it should be, variac should be at a 0 position. Observe here, important, we are having a relay indicator, relay trip, reset button, and it is a toggle switch. It is a toggle switch. It should be, if it is in the middle, it is off. It is in the set mode, again off. It is in the start mode, okay. I will keep it in a off mode. This is a timer, and here we are having a ammeter, 0 to 10 amperes digital meter. So now switch on the button. So switch on the mains, switch on the supply here of the kit. Now initially current is 0, time is 0. Now before start of this fault current, we set the, what we have selected as a 1.5 amperes, and what is the multiplier we have selected? 2. 1 we have selected, that will not trip. 2 we have selected, 1.5 into 2 is the fault current, that is the 3 amperes, okay. So therefore what I will do, I will set the 3 amperes here. Please operate this very carefully. That is, sorry, it should be in the set mode. Yeah, now it is increasing. As it crosses the 1.5 ampere, your disc starts to rotate actually, because that will be a fault current. Now I will set it at 3 ampere. Yes, now it is a 3 amperes. Your disc supposed to start rotate, okay. Keep it off, reset the button, already it is reset. I have set it the fault current, suddenly 3 amperes it will operate. Now as I push this, or as I set this toggle switch in the start mode, current will be applied, at the same instant timer will be switched on. Clear? See here, 3 amperes will be applied, timer will be on. So as the relay operates, at what time it will trip, that will be recorded here, okay. But because of error we will be having it is not rotating. So come back here, off, reset the button, and we can set it for, you can go it for next reading. I will take it as the 4, 1.5 into 4. 4 is here scale. With respect to 4, what we are having? 5. So 5 into time setting multiplier 0.8. 4 seconds it has to take. So I have to apply 1.5 into 4 is 1.5 into 4 is equal to 6 amperes is the fault current. So times, theoretical time is 4 seconds. So I will set it at 6 amperes. Ampere I have set. Now the disc starts rotating. Clear? Yes. Trip has occurred, relay trip. Now come back to off position, reset the timer, reset the relay. A little bit you have to reset this. Don't put pressure, okay. Now as I switch on start button, 6 amperes will be applied as a fault current, then disc starts rotating here. Yes, relay got trip. What is the time taken? 10.9 second. 10.9 second. But as per our value is how much? It's supposed to take 4 seconds. Now practical time is 10.9. So calculate the percentage error. 10.9 minus 4 divided by 10.9. Very
3.63.
into 100. 63. So that is a 63%. Okay, now again keep it in off position, reset the timer. As the disk come back, reset this one. Next reading 1.5 into 5. What is the fault current? 7.5. So time should be taken as 3.44. Set in the set mode, you have to set the current only in the set mode. 7.5. I have set the current. Even though it takes the trip, don't worry. Come back, off position, current is 0, time is 0. Reset the relay. As you switch on, 7.5 ampere is applied and disk starts to rotate. Yes. What is the time taken to trip the relay? 7.3. 7.3 minus 3.44 divided by 7.3 into 100. 52%. That is the positive answer. Means that is the delay. It is the error of, see here, percentage error is 63%. Under percentage error is 63, rest is what you are having. There is no accuracy, there is a delay. Fine. So therefore again off, reset the timer, reset the relay. Now I will go for 9 amperes directly. Off, reset the timer. Once it stops, reset the relay. Now set. 9 ampere is applied. Disk starts rotating. 5.8. It's supposed to take 3.4, but it has taken 5.8. So you have to calculate the percentage error. Keep it off. Reset the timer. Reset the button. Okay. This is how again come back to 0 position.